With that discussion, we'll close it, right? Okay. It is so simple. I think already you people have written the internals in the first semester. There will be a around 8 questions. Okay. Out of that, there will be two parts, part A and part B. Right? The total marks for the question paper is 60 marks. The total question paper will be for 60 marks. Out of that, you have to write it for 30 marks. You have to write it for 30 marks. And how this 60 marks is divided. So there will be a two parts, part A and part B. Part A will be having a 30 marks, part B will be having a 30 marks, right? And again, part A is divided into two. So two questions will be there or three questions will be there, which will be having a 15 marks, or there may be one question also, or another portion will be there in the part A, which is also having 15 marks. Okay, so the part A is divided into two sections. Question 1 of 15 marks, question 2 of 15 marks. So out of these sections, you have to write only one section. Okay, you cannot write both answers from each section of part A. The total question paper is divided into two sections, part A, part B, and again part A is divided into two sections, which is having 15 marks plus 15 marks. So out of this, you have to write only one section. If you choose the first section, you will get 15 marks. If you choose the second section, you will have to write as 15 marks. You cannot write to get 15 marks, you cannot mix the first section of part A and the second section of a part A. Okay. And then in the same way, part B is also having two sections, 15 marks plus 15 marks. Okay. There also you need to choose only one section in the part B also. That means you have to write 15 marks from the part B, either on first section or second section. Okay. Sir, your screen is not visible. Okay, okay, not an issue. I'm right. Yes, 44. Okay, now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Type it in the chat box. I'm not able to hear you. Yeah, okay. So here, okay, this is this is an example for a previous semester, okay, of your same branch, 18 CS 44. Okay, here, see, this is the example. Right, like this. So here, the total question paper is divided into two parts, part A and part B. Okay, here, part A is having two main questions, one AB, two AB. Okay, whereas one AB is having 15 marks, 2AB is also having 15 marks. So out of this, you have to write any one question, either one or two. 1AB, 2AB. Okay. Then, in the same way, part B will be having a 30 marks, out of which 15 marks for third question, 15 marks for 15 marks for fourth question. So you have to write any one question. You have to write any one question, full question from each part. If you touch 1A and if you write 2A, then you will not get a 15 marks. Either whichever is the largest, that you will get only 8 marks or 7 marks. To get 15 marks, you have to write A as well as B of first question on B. If you touch second A, then you have to write second B only. You cannot write 1B. You will not get marks, full marks, 15 marks. Okay, it is not considered. It will be considered as an extra. So write any one full question. It should be full AB. If you choose to, it should be AB full. So any one full question from each part. Okay. So this is a question paper pattern, right? And here COs will be written. COs that we have discussed in the first of the beginning of the classes. Okay, COs, course outcomes. Okay. So then, so whatever the question will come, it will be related to the course outcome 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Then CL is cognitive level. It shows what is the level of the question, whether it is a understanding level, whether it is a remembering level, whether it is a designing level, or whether it is a development level, or whether it is a creative level. So this cognitive level CL is going to show the level of the question. The right, it is showing the level of the question. So like L1, level 1 is remembering, level 2 is understanding, level 3 is explaining, level 4 is designing and developing, level 5 is finding the complex things, determining the values, or describing, like deriving the expressions. Then the level 6 is related to the creativity type questions. So level 2 will be a medium as for your academics. Right? Hope you have understood the question paper, how the question paper pattern will be there, and what is
Yes, sir.
SCO and what is SCL. Okay. So with this, we'll just end it today. Whatever the things are there, you can ask. So be prepared and enjoy your academics. Fine. Now, what the thing is, even you can, but here he has specified that what he has specified here is using formulas. So I cannot design. Okay, this video is also be available in the YouTube channel. And here he is telling that design circuits using JK flip-flop. So how